Yeah, prepping or being prepared is not only end of the world type of thing, or when everything has gone south. Sometimes life happens and then you need to render assistance, and then the more prepared you are, the better equipped you are to deal with the situation. I've just returned from let's call it a little bit of a rescue mission. What happened is that Elma went to the doctor, and on her way back she had some car trouble. She phoned me. Fortunately, I just arrived home, and I just had enough time to quickly grab my keys, get into my car, and went to assist her. So being prepared is not only the end of the world. Sometimes being prepared is rendering service when it's needed. Yeah, in earlier this year, I did discuss the full kit that I've got in the car, but this is just an overview of what I've got in the vehicle in order to assist or to maintain or help myself if there is a problem. First of all, there's a tire jack, some tire plugs, some basic sockets, a jump starter, some pliers, screwdrivers, and then the towing rope that we just used for this exercise, and then also the ability to change the tire, with the tire being underneath this setup. So yeah, have your equipment in your vehicle, have your equipment ready, and it might just to close off this video, some last advice. I do believe that it is always a good plan to have something available, or to be prepared to handle some basic regularly occurring type of scenarios. In this case, I did manage to save the day. Hopefully I will be the hero for the day for at least a couple of days or a couple of hours. But yeah, be prepared, be ready, and then render service and help wherever you can. And you can only do that by being properly prepared. So go over your emergency vehicle equipment and ensure that you are ready to assist at any time. Thank you for watching.